धर्मः प्रोज्झितकैतवोऽत्र परमो निर्मत्सराणां सतां वेद्यं वास्तवमत्र वस्तुशिवदं तापत्रयोन्मूलनं श्रीमद्भागवते महामुनिकृते किं वा परैरीश्वरः सद्यो हृद्यवरुध्यतेऽत्र कृतिभिः शुश्रूषुभिस्तत्क्षणात्। धर्मः धास्मः प्रणः विसर्ग changes to upadhmaniya. Projhitakaitavah is a compound word. Dharmah projhitakaitavah because of sandhi. Atra projhitakaitavotra because of sandhi. Paramaha becomes paramo because of sandhi. Nirmatsaranam satam vedyam vastavam atra vastavam atra vastu shivadam is a compound word. Tapatraya unmoolanam tapatrayonmoolanam is a compound word. Shrimat tu changes to the because of sandhi. Bhagavate bhas mahapranah. Shrimad Bhagavate is a compound word. Mahamuni krite is a compound word. Kim va paraihi visarga changes to repha. Ishwaraha parairishwaraha because of sandhi. Sadhyaha becomes sadhyo because of sandhi. Hridi avarudhyate dhas mahapranah. Hridyavarudyate because of sandhi. Atra hridyavarudhyatetra because of sandhi. Kritibhihi bhas mahapranah. Shushrushubihi bhas mahapranah. Visarga changes to su there. Tatkshanat is a compound word. Shushrushuphis tatkshanat because of sandhi. Dharmah projhitakaitavotra paramo nirmatsaranam satam vedyam vastavamatra vastu shivadantapatra Shrimad Bhagavate Mahamunikrite Kim va parairishwaraha Sadyo hridyavaruddhyatetra kritibhih shushrushubistatkshanat. Shrimad Bhagavatam Purana Tilakam Yadvaishnavanam Dhanam Yasmin Paramahamsyameva Mamalam Jnanam Param Giyate Yatra Jnana Viraga Bhakti Sahitam Naishkarmyam Avishkritam Tachhrunvan Prapathan Vicharana Paro Bhaktya Vimuchyen Naraha. Shrimat tu changes to the because of sandhi. Bhagavatam bhas mahapranah. Shrimad Bhagavatam is a compound word. Purana Tilakam is a compound word. Yat tu changes to the because of sandhi. Vaishnavanam Yad Vaishnavanam because of sandhi. Dhanam dhamaha pranaha. Yasmin Paramahamsyam is a compound word. Evam Paramahamsyam evam amalam evam amalam Jnanam Param Giyate Yatra Jnana Viraga Bhakti Sahitam is a compound word. Bhakti bhasmaha pranaha. Naishkarmyam Avishkritam Naishkarmyam Avishkritam Tat tu changes to chu because of sandhi. Shrunvan shu changes to mahaprana cha because of sandhi. So tat shrunvan because of sandhi. Prapathan tha mahaprana. Vicharana paraha is a compound word. It becomes vicharana paro because of sandhi. Bhaktya bha mahaprana. Vimuchyet tu changes to nu because of sandhi. Naraha vimuchyen naraha because of sandhi. Shrimad Bhagavatam Purana Tilakam Yadvaishnavanam Dhanam Yasmin Paramahamsyameva Mamalam Jnanam Parangiyate Yatra Jnana Viraga Bhakti Sahitan Naishkarmyam Avishkritam Tachrunvan Prapathan Vicharana Paro Bhaktya Vimuchyen Naraha. Narayanan Namaskritya Naranchaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam ततो जयमुदीरयेत्. Narayanam is a compound word. Namaskritya is a compound word. Naram cha eva chaiva because of sandhi. Nara uttamam, narottamam is a compound word. Devim saraswatim vyasam tataha becomes tato because of sandhi. Jayam udirayet, jayamudirayet. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayamudirayet. Swastyastu vishwasya khalaf prasidatam dhyayantu bhutani shivam mitho dhiya manascha bhadram bhajatadadhokshaje aveshyatam no matirapya haituki. Swasti astu, swastyastu because of sandhi. Vishwasya khalaha, khas mahapranah, visarga changes to upadhamaniya. Prasidatam, khalaf prasidatam because of sandhi. Dhyayantu, dhas mahapranah. Bhutani, bha mahapranah. Shivam mithaha becomes mitho because of sandhi. Tha mahapranah. Dhiya, dhas mahapranah. Manaha, visarga changes to shu there. Cha, manascha because of sandhi. Bhadram, bha mahapranah. Bhajatat, bhas mahapranah. T in the end changes to d because of sandhi. Adhokshaje, dhas mahapranah. Bhajatad adhokshaje because of sandhi. Aveshyatam, naha becomes no because of sandhi. Matihi, visarga changes to repha. Api, matirapi because of sandhi. Ahaituki, matirapyahaituki because of sandhi. Swastyastu vishwasya khalaf prasidatam dhyayantu bhutani shivam mitho dhiya manascha bhadram bhajatadadhokshaje aveshyatam no matirapyahaituki.